Hello, hello, hello. Let's do it anyway. There we go. Bow. Yeah. Alright. All I was doing now, I create a layout manager type. Now on constructs, I need to add these children. And this, I did it. So create widget. This for child. That's weird. Alright. Alright, let's just start with the editable label. Right, and editable label dot add child. No. I don't think it even matters what it is. Oh, it does, because I don't even know where it is. So, var layout manager. It's gonna be this layout manager. The grid layout manager equals this layout manager. I know it's there's a grid. There's no grids. Layout, yeah. Let's do that. Right. I know it's a grid layout. Label. What do we do with the label? This is I got their manager. Oh yeah, and layout child. So the top layout child equals. Get my little great layout child. It shouldn't be. What do you mean, man? Does it? I need to still cast, so I just create it. Grid layout child. Come on. GTK dot create layout child. There we go. And top layout child. Top. So what that does, that creates a widget. It's the layout manager. Dot. I'll check the docs real quick. Okay, create the child. Create layout child. Change like that. Inbox and the layout. I'm starting to get it. So if you're doing the box layout, what does that look like? Get baseline child. No. Create layout child. Thank you, very interesting, man. I want to see it. And then I'll do open here. Just have the top layout child. So where if I editable label layout child. Got label wrapper. I don't like the word wrapper, but container. Cell. Oh, there we go. Now we're cooking. Grids. Oof. Alright. What is variables app about? Yeah, so it's a general templating app. So you're able to create templates and then add, and then you can substitute parts of the template with variables, and then you're able to generate results from those templates. I'm not sure what the best analogy for that would be. Yeah, like that. Yeah, you could just store stuff like email templates, code contribution templates, anything. Just all your templates, put it in there, multiple use. Alright, then I got that. The only thing that sucks is you can't do the really think cool thing you could do when if you create a new class, you can use an initializer, something like a new grid, and you can be like, you know, columns this, rows that. I used to use like bit by bit, like label, column. Yeah, it's all voids. No fun stuff here. Column is 0. Yeah, that's on the top. You should span the whole. Actually, no, I'll just use HH expands. There's no problem there. And same thing for. So it's very strange because in GTK4 you can just inherit like the GTK grid and just use like just subclass GTK grids and just use the GTK grid APIs. But now they want you to inherit from GTK widget and then use a layout manager, which sort of has that behavior. So I'm implementing that same behavior through the layout manager. It feels a bit weird, but it's alright. It's not too bad. Right, yeah, entry field now. Wait, how's the sound levels, by the way? Stream idea. Our own GUI library. Oh my. Oh my gosh. That'd be cool, man. That'd be so cool. Making Rust. Ah, sweet, yeah. I took the time to actually just make sure it sounded pretty good at 50%. So yeah, I'm happy to hear that, man. Happy to hear that. Okay, now it's one very similar. It is what they will put out. I keep thinking of that picture you sent me with the 150%. Like the volume is that low, man. Column, left, right, still in the left column. It's the word that's different, yeah. I mean, after making that 4 in a row tutorial, like columns and rows, I just got it like that, you know. Just I know the difference, very clear now. And last thing is the edit button. The thing about streams, like, do you ever like get a bit frustrated because you always you copy code and you copy it a bit wrong. You wanted to make some formatting changes, but sometimes you think, Maybe I'm wasting too much time. Cool. Column here. 1. Apple button. Row. The row would be 0, 0. Yeah, so the whole point here is that I should have a diagram or something. Just a label on the top, then the fields on the bottom, then right next to the label there's an edit button. That's like the first stage. Okay, that's that part down. Another thing needs to happen is actual creating the things themselves. So it's the editable label. That's for single field. Yeah. However, it would be much easier. Would it be easier? Making it wouldn't be so bad, but I thought the grid layout was all for all the fields. Oh, I mean it is, but okay, I'll explain. So the widget is a label that's editable. Like there's a method that label has that lets you, it turns a label into a text box. You can change the values dynamically, and then below that is a regular field. So I wanted to encapsulate like the logic behind all of it. So that's why I'm making a new widget. Grid layout. No, grid layout's for all the fields. It's for all the fields. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Yeah. Like I recommend like reading. Where did I read it? Yeah, there was like a documentation for GTK4 to talk about transitioning from GTK3 to GTK4, and they explain like this is the way they want you to make widgets now. If you wanna inherit, or if you want instead of a subclass in order to play around with this API. But I mean, this is my first time doing it as well. I thought it'd be much worse, but I think I've got it down now. Yeah, I mean, I know they still let you subclass layout classes, but if you try to subclass the button, it won't let you. But instead, like if you wanted to like create a custom button, like you'd use the bin layout manager type, and then just set a button as the child, and then you can do whatever you want with the button. Which I find quite convenient actually. Yeah, GTK3, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm creating a new one. G2 new. Let's go label string. Let's call it new label. Well, classic. Let's start 3 fields. Yeah. Yeah, I like GTK4. Was it button? Do some big. Can I do some big screen stuff? Yeah, that's it. Oof. All right. And oh, yeah. I love it. I know it's like there's this icon browser. This is the GTK1. Ugh, elementary. That's the way. Okay. Yeah. I hope it uses the symbolic icon and not the regular one. I really hope that. Edit. And then they said to have to override this overrides expose. What do you mean it's not? Wait, what? Oh. What? Really? So that you got color icons, which are like, fully featured, blah blah blah. But you got the symbolic icons that are more low key. I mean, come on, isn't that a good copy button? Look at that. Look at that copy button. So it doesn't look nice. Tell me that's not worth paying $1,000 for. I don't know what happened with the Spurs. You can still quit monochrome. Yeah, because it's a symbol. It's a symbol. Symbolic. I think the guys at GTK might be a bit bad at naming things. So I guess it's the programmer problem. It's on us. Okay. Box the unparent based on the Spurs. Here, yeah, here's where it's got a bit. Cause this one's easy because he uses a bin, doesn't he? Yeah, bin one's easy because then you can just like add control you like, and just use that one control as a root. What's that? Full stop. Oh shoot! Oh no! Oh come on! What have you done? I just get the GitHub editor. I mean, that would be very useful. Wait, actually. Oh, come on. I think what's it? Where is this? Name web is too. I did say I was gonna stop using Chrome. I didn't want to try with Firefox. I'm gonna give them. This stream is now sponsored by. This stream is sponsored by Visual Studio Code. Code freely. Nah, it's not really. Not really. Get back to this. Okay. I need to find an example of how they managed to dispose these things. Look at this, an official blog. Why isn't this in the docs? Why? Why is this not in the docs? Actually, no, I think this is in the docs, but there's something, some other stuff. That part is. Okay. Some really cool thing I did see though. It was blog GTK4 or widget GTK4. There it is. But still, like, there's an official GTK blog that's like, here's the stuff that should be in the docs. Like, if this was in the docs, oh my gosh. The next verse, what's that? The next verse, the old-fashioned way. Draw, render, draw. Where's dispose? Layout. Okay. Yeah, I remember this part. Yes, he's using the bin layout. No grid. What? That's wild. He just said using templates is the most convenient way. But how do you actually do it in code? Silence. The input. I don't need this part. Actions. Irrelevant. Alright. You know what? If it takes your memory, it takes your memory. Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume because I'm using layout manager, I'm not like using set parent, it should handle this properly. If it doesn't, that's on them. Alright. Now I'm gonna try to render this. You don't need to remove anything yourself. Yeah, I mean, I know for the other thing here, they did. They use set parent because they're using a bin. They're probably right though. It should just destroy everything by itself. What's it even made anyway? Oh, 2020. Okay, yeah. Might have been like a GTK4 beta or something. Okay, so I don't know anything about this, but what I do need to do is make sure that I can see things. Yeah, I have a list view. I'll abandon list view for now. Wait. View, list view. Is it being drawn? No. I need to change all of this as well, because this is wrong. They don't want to do that anymore. But for this, I'll just use the bin layout, because like using the grid for this is just overkill. The grid layout for this is overkill, 100%. Or beam box layout, it's just nah. So this style pens. Don't want append. Oh yeah, new GTK. No variables. The editable field. Ta-da! Alright. Let's hope this works. Rrr. I see nothing. That's fun. What did I do wrong? Oh, imagine the H expands. No, edit bot. Oh, these ones. H expands. No, 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 no. No, no, that is not what I'm doing. That is not what I'm doing. No way. Look, man. This will look good when I'm done with it, okay? Functionality first. So you mean though, this is not aligned well. Entry field, yeah. That should be H expand to mid. Yeah, I don't see it. What was that command again? Ooh, there it is. So it is her, but there's no children. That's a big problem. No children. I created, but it's not added. So strange. Wait, then what do I do? That layout. If you want to do it yourself, do it in your init function. Alright. Seems so dumb. Is that Tracy trying to say I should do that? With that child, is it a widget? digit. Okay. So okay, alright. Now I think this API is kind of dumb. I miss the old API so much now. Maybe I should start using Blueprint, man. What do you know? It doesn't look right. Now it's starting to look more like Thunderbird. It's getting, look at that. Look at the misalignment. What? Crazy. Okay, that's actually on me. Variables view. Hey world, get out of here. What? What? Alright, cool. See how this is operating. You don't even know I'm in the So all the children are there. That's right. But they're not they aren't respecting the grid, fortunately. Let's set the button to expand. So I got fields. I'm missing the other thing. I gotta get a new Mac. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Rip, bro. I mean, the good news is that you can get a new microphone. Imagine the ones that are out now. Bad news, you are getting a new microphone as well. So, yeah, it depends. You feel. This is really weird. They're all on top of each other. Oh, oh, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Oh, could it be, this the layout manager? What? I go to some classes and I go to grid layout. Here we go. No? It's not. There we go. There's no set column, set rows. Set spacing. Bum bum bum. Yeah. Slowly losing my mind. Don't need to add the layer manager zone to add. That's what I was thinking at first, but the layer manager doesn't seem to have any methods or properties of adding. Unless you see something. What do you see? I see properties, new layout manager, new layout. You can get rows, spacing. Yeah, nothing about setting things to the layout manager. Maybe in the subclass, the class, the parent class of it, the manager itself. Allocate, allocate, allocate. Hmm. Allocate. This might be another one on me. There's also measure. Nah, this one won't help. I mean, clocks, shade toys, characters. Oh, this could be it. This could be it. Made his own layout manager. And what? What? Create that child for the given for child widget. Have I gotten things confused? No, it can't be. Layout or add element. That's what I was thinking. Like, you should layout manager have something that can add an element. I've set the columns and rows. Grid attach. Yeah, I think that was the old API. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. GTK4, bro, I'd be done by now. I'd be done. I'd be on to the next one already. I could use grids, but grid doesn't seem suitable in this situation. I mean, I could use it if I get fed up, but I want to use best practices. Not attached. None of my favorites. Even a panda isn't here. Sucks. This one uses a paintable. Yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Look at that. It seems a bit magical. Where does left attachment come from? Yay! So how's it so far? Oh my god. See, that's beautiful software. That's the type of software I want to make. Like beautiful UX. Even looks pretty good too. The way it is. Show you right parent child class is yes, 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 yes. Okay. Moving now. Am I stuck? Bum, bum, bum. Yeah. The thing I'm thinking of now is either there's some elementary app that's done it, or definitely someone C and Rust has done it on their apps. Okay, first things first, it's probably someone who's needed help in known forums, and Grid is a decent layout. I will use Google. Sorry, they don't use Save Gnome, they say discourse.gnome.org. Grid layout GTK. What? People are hating it. It's not just you. It's not just you, Leo. Ooh. Those things are magic, man. Time for nerd. You will nerd. That manager, that manager, that manager. Box layout. Oh, someone surely has done it. What? ST box layout. What are they on, man? Is that meant to be? Hey. Alright, I hear you, I hear you. Thanks for that. Side. So nobody had this issue with the layout manager. I find that hard to believe. Alright, one more thing to check. I'm gonna check the GNOME GTK4 docs. I know they have something to say about this stuff. Arcade magic. You know, at least it's easier than when I made like Windows UP apps. Not like the general programming, but every time I do like custom controls, like the docs for that were just, there was never any specific docs. You had to hunt, find these sacred books from the past. So weird they never add documentation for that. I don't think they have it to this day in the official docs. But then they have really good docs for everything else. I don't get that. No. Alright, let me just go to the widget. Too many things called widget. Hey, I think if I was writing in C, this would be super easy. I do have another plan. After this one. Okay. The keys is height for width. C has GTK grid attached. That's the older API. That's if you want to use grid as a child. If you want to make your own widget, can't subclass grid anymore. See, this is what I get for following best practices. The grid layout page talks about attaching to what grid layout page? Oh yeah, the one about in the yeah, I saw some weird property about left attach, and then they didn't clarify what that was. Oh wait, I think it's pretty important actually. Geometry management, widget measure, buildable, XML, composites. Which is a big one, dang. Oh, it's done now. Well, funny stuff here. Layout manager, the layout manager. That's actually pretty cool. Actually, I can actually check something. I go back to the app, make it small. By the way, did you see the article about I think one of the gnome designers, they create like a prototype for a new window management system. Not like a window manager, but like a way to manage windows. And it's like imagine floating, snapping, full screening, like always on top. But it's all done. It's all there, and it's all done just a seamless way. No keyboard required. No, it can't. You always have to. You always have to manage it. You always have to manage. You always have to manage the windows yourself. You can snap, but it's like you can't do always on top on Windows. Like certain apps would have to have the feature for you to do it. You can't just do it in anything. And even then, you still have to drag the window around. It doesn't respond to lack of space or stuff like that. But the one they showed off in the blog post, it did it all. Okay. No, trust me. This is no, not from the devs, designers, not devs. Design, the big difference. No. This is a. I think they've actually done a good job this time. No jokes, like it's genuinely the future. No, not even. It's very basic. They just want you to understand the concept very well. No fancy smancy dribble with three B stuff going on here. It's just white rectangles, blue background. They show you how it works. Okay. It has a layout manager. What? Bin layout. Oh, that's how it works internally. Okay. I'm gonna check the variables view editable field. Okay, what about this layout manager? Oh, So the grid layout is there. Baseline row 0, -1, 1, 2. Alright, 0, homogeneous, homogeneous spacing, row spacing. It's like it's not actually. It's not at. Oh my gosh. So this is a box, right? It's fill, the line filled. Yes. Make sure it's H expand. And the V expands by default. Orientation's vertical. Everything looks pretty good to me. Let's try this. This reveals to me that the label is underneath the row, so it's almost like the layout's not being, it's not being taken into account. The lane manager is there. I did create the layout children, but when I check the layout manager, this doesn't give me an option to set a layout child. Even I set it. Retrieve layout child for instance of the manager if necessary. Child widget must be a child widget using manager. That child instance owned by lit manager. Guaranteed numbers. This is the child is a child of the GTK widget. Given. Well, I think something dumb's happened here. I'm gonna try this. This works. As entry field, it's and then there's add one good cell. Oh, what? Oh no! What are you talking about? Almost cool. Almost. Nope. Still a problem. Alright. In fact, that has to make me use Google. This is it's better work. GTK widgets. Okay. Custom widget. Hey, look at your language, Python. It's only the layout manager. Oh yes. If I see C code, I'm happy as well because I can translate that easily. GTA methods. Visualize the object. No. No. You can't flow. Okay, talk about the layout manager. Okay. Ah. Come on, Ibasi. This should really change the reading stream. Oh, no help. Bum, bum. Apparently it's here. Everybody called widget. Mm. What? You need a box or grid to still have diagram. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But then that wouldn't make any sense. Then what was the whole purpose of like using a layout manager then? That's what makes zero sense. Box or grids. Something that might somehow. Wait a minute. What am I doing? GitHub search is actually amazing. Language Scala, and then search for grids GTK grid layout and code. Bam. Try this one, and this one. Ooh. What's this bad boy? Grep.app. Oh shoot. This looks serious. Alright, let that type of grid layout. And then the page expands. She said we. Yeah, it's just a page. Yeah, that makes sense. It's just a page. Then you set parent, and then you label the unparent and destructor. Yeah. Okay. Now, friendly eating club. What? Like, there's so many like Vala projects. They don't tell you, like, they don't like share the community what they're working on. What? An e-ink display launcher. This is what I mean, like. I gotta take a note of this. Yeah, I knew it. Okay. Let me get back. Grid out. Okay. The inherited grids. And then you got the grids. Already inherited grids. Got the grid layout manager. And this close. This close. Right, Skyhook, please. And still inherit exactly. He's like best practices, please. Yes, this is promising. Look. Widget. It's just a page. Oh, if you can have more than one child on this page, please. Oh, just one child. Content box. It's just a box. Does it expand? No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, there it is, content box. So it's there. And then just whoosh. Everything's in that one box. It's like, nah, man. Not quite. I mean, the other way is to actually write it. Damn. Oh, elementary. Wait, that gives me ideas now. You take off the... You can't identify everything. So you might find more code. And I found more code. I've seen Rust, HTML, D, JS. I see C. Oh. I remember GTK4, you only have one child unless you have a container widget. Yeah. Yeah, the thing is like, you only have one child unless you have a container widget. Then how did I manage to set 3 children? Because this is the container widget. The container widget is editable field. The layout manager is supposed to turn it into a container widget. No. Also container, anything else you will need to implement manually if you have multiple children. Right. Every widget is a container, but someone will probably have multiple children. Oh, actually, nah, well. I think with allocate you can reserve space and draw it somehow. I don't know how that would work. Yeah, I feel like. Oh. Forgot elementary makes their own widgets too. This would be promising. Alright, set layout manager type. Box layout. You set parent. Get rotation vertical. Then they man. They could just have more than one child. More than one child. Like secondary label get. If you set secondary label, it sets the parent. Aha! This proves it. Alright, I have a theory. If I use the box layout, it's going to work completely fine. Another thing is before that, okay, we're cooking. Nah. But this is the behavior I want here. Okay, he's definitely done something right. Oh no, this was it. First thing I want to do is say, to prove my theory, we should use box. Box is simple, so this will 100% work. This should just flow down. Wait, no, not yet. It wouldn't flow down. Yeah, it works. Yeah, so it proves what I was saying. You don't need another like box to put inside. This turns it into a container widget, the layout manager types. So since that works, and I even proved that if I get a layout manager, call it var box manager equals class GTK box layout this dot layout manager, and I can just call box manager dot orientation GTK dot orientation dot vertical, and yeah, it's vertical, so it does work, but not the grid one for some reason. It's almost as if everything's in this. I thought the stream saved me here in case you migrate. Oh yeah, it has. Yeah, you try to migrate to GTK4, like, yeah, seemed that box layout's sort of safe bet. Grid layout. Oh no no. So yeah, editable label entry fields, edit button. Oh wait, editable label dot grid cell dot column span is 1. Row span 1. Just gotta make sure. Oh, still box layout. Even grid layout's broken. You should brick that completely. Okay. I might have done something wrong with the grid layout. GTK grid layout can only be used like a GTA box, so everything's there. Do not have the attach point defined by horizontal and vertical index they apply. Layout properties for setting if the attach point spans or using the G grid layout chart associated with each child element. Right. Okay. Row top. Entry field is below. Yes. And they each take up one span of row, one span of column. They shouldn't be invading each other's spaces. So if I do this dot layout manager dot get layout child, and then I set the child as, that's it, what you get the child. The widget is this dot this should completely break it. This doesn't work properly. This dot editable label. Yeah. And layout child dot column. I'm gonna print it. And then layout child dot column, layout child dot row. Yeah, man, I'm getting real sick of this. Says GTK is grid layout child failed. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. It's like I think I found a bug. Because the child that should be found is, oh, I didn't find a bug. I'm too early. rather than editable row label, I'm going for the entry field grid because it has different values for entry field.
You can already.
No. Alright. 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 Yeah. Everybody, this is wrong. It says the layout child 00 when it clearly isn't. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm my own enemy. Oh my gosh. You're kidding. You're kidding. Nope, still broken. Still broken. Entry fields. Maybe set parent first. Do okay, yeah, that's a shout. Man. Now they have all these clever, fancy explanations in the docs, but then an actual code example, nerd. Ah, no dice. Do you think of why this could be happening? I do see down at elementary they did something strange. Don't tell me I deleted it. Oh, I deleted it. No, I didn't. It's there. Ah, use a box. Yeah, box is easy. There's something here. Oh, I just got orientation. Nothing special. No create either. Just get layout child. Oh, you just get layout child. Oh yeah, and it creates it if it on demands. Alright. Oh, and then I don't need to call this. It would. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I don't know how they're gonna figure that one out. Oh. No dice. Alright, I'm gonna check. No, they failed me. It is. So the box layout's fine, but the grid layout's broken. Like, what the heck? Alright, my last. I want to try one more thing. Box layout is trivial. Grid layout's broken. I'm going to GitLab.gnome.org. Because they'd use it, right? GTK dot. No, that's by name. GTK dot grid layout. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, no, I've code. Oh, I'm actually gonna sign in for code search. But I just need the span videos too. I mean, I picked the span just to make sure I'm not like some dodgy default behavior is happening. Alright. What? No way. Oh my gosh. You were onto something. Woo! Thanks, man. Freaking spans. No, it was my fault. You know, here with the with the column and rows, it was just editing editable label again the first time. So it was the spans. Wait, why would the spans break it? Row span, column span. Where's the default value? I mean, it's nice when something works, but it's scary when you don't know why it works. It's your CV. I armchair programmed a GTK4 widget, custom widget. So that's my experience. Alright. So we spent, I think, an hour just this one little thing. Why couldn't this be in the docs? Oh. Alright. I'll send feedback. I'm actually writing a list of like bugs popping up for GNOME Web. Like, I wrote this down. I just need to figure out where I'm supposed to send it. Hey, they get chat PSD from chat. No, I appreciate it, man. Oh yeah, in that case, this should work with IM too. Like, you probably see the corner of your eye, calling out your bugs. Dang. Oh, perfect. Oh no, that's not quite right. Why does it invade everything? Alright, that's another problem to figure out. Look at the boy and say, chat, look at this. Chat, you won't believe this. You won't believe this, what I just see. And then, yeah, here's his bands. Trying to remember, is it symbolic edit? Edit symbolic? Yeah. 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 But it's too wide. H align. Fader line. You know, at times like this, I do think life would be easier if I just use Blueprint. Oh, oh, oh! This is it. This is it. Yeah, yeah. If I resize. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, it's not gonna be that small. Wait, what? That button's weird, man. I tap it twice and it's like activated. If I do start, does that look like? Yo, this is in the wrong column. What is my guy doing? Not sure this one was done right, you know. I need to make sure this doesn't. Do. Oh, and that's when it gets to. Oh, that's not right. It's with the center. It isn't like it's part of the grid. Just make it. Never. What? Watch. I'm gonna encapsulate this. Maybe that'll be my UI framework. I call it CTK. Oh, okay. No, that's interesting. That's the interesting stuff.
You sure, Colin?
What's up, Glory? Hey, have I seen your name before? No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. It's in the it's in the title. Right. You getting somewhere? Alright, with the edit button, try that again. Oh, same problem again, but it's with the edit button now. Oh, yeah. It turns out you were right, Leo. We're supposed to use get layout child, not create layout child. Oh, I see. I see. I'm not sure that should be public, honestly. All right. Oh, fantastic. Huh. You can't bait viewers into elementary OS. Cover arch. I use Arch, by the way. Just I'd be like, oh, this is all Arch. I'm just using the Pantheon. Oh yeah. I can't believe this API is get child, get layout child. What the heck? You think it'll be creative? All right. Edgefield or H expand? No. Equals 2. You know what? That's not quite it. Hmm. Wait. So Gorex, do you use Linux? If so, what distro do you use? Gorex is. I think the H expand's working. The economy expand's still working. Seems that Debian. Yeah, I can't see if there's any like pro pictures or anything, so I wouldn't know. Oh wait, no, I can see pro pictures. Hey, yeah, this app's cool, man. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, right now I want the button to be right next to the label. I set the label to H expand true, so I'm gonna remove that and hope for the best here. No. Now what's the problem? H line is on feel. Same problems. Ilya, could you give me another assist if possible? What in the GTK is going on here? Right. Delete span again. Don't tell me. Nah, not this time. Right, it seems like now. Alright. So 0, 0, 1. Oh. Oh. Ah. I see. Ooh. No, no, I see it, I see it, I see it. So you see this? What I can imagine is the cells need to be the same width. So if I make this, this fills the whole width, then that's going to be the width of both of the rows. And if I reduce the width of that, this is still going to be outside. The edit button will be outside. So I think to fix this, yeah, that's exactly what I was going to say. They need to be in the same cell as a box, going on one grid cell. So then I wasted all that time working on on a grid layout. I needed a box layout. Yeah, now I see why you said it's not good to plan too much in advance. Terrible idea. Too much in advance. So it's be a vertical box layout, and then it's another box inside. Yeah. One can be a grid layout too, yeah. But the thing is, remember the grid layout docs. Yeah, it says you can use a box layout if you want to, but the thing is, like, I think they said the opposite. It's like you can use like a grid layout, just one row or one column, but it's like it's just wasted power. Like, just use the box layout. It's a waste of resources. Yeah, it's no point checking it now. Alright, box layout. Though I appreciate how much easier the box layout is to work with. And then that has another box. Private GTK dot box. I'll call it. Give it a dumb name like top box. Title box, entry box, label box. Yeah. Do you need to this is a private outside of constructor? Can be local, I think. I mean, I don't know how else I'm gonna use it. Like I actually I'm not sure how the API is gonna look like. So private is just the best bet, and then if I turns I'm not gonna use it, I'll just turn them into locals. Yeah. I mean, the thing is that a lot of the behavior can be turned into like I could use probably signals and expressions. So the constructor will just be used to add the children, and then there'll just be callbacks being used across the whole application. So you're right. There is a possibility where I can just use locals. Crap. 3D boxes can be local, I think. Just the widgets used in the could be private. Oh. Oh, what? The. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that when the time comes. And then. Yeah, I love this. Look how easy this is. Just append. Oh my gosh. Yeah. No, this like layout child crap, man. Oh, that feels great. Append. Oh, it used to be add. Was to add child, something like that. That's what I remember from GTK4. It actually confused me for a bit. It's like, why is it not? Where's add gone? That's right. That's normal. This the orientation. No, not this. It's this the layout man. This dot layout manager. What does that do? Well, the app does it. It manages templates and generates text from them. So you're able to have templates with variables. So something like, I don't know, let's say I am name, and then you can create a variable called name, set the value, and then you can generate the text. So I substituting the variables. I'd say probably one use case is like email templates, stuff like that. Instead of just being just for emails, you can use it for anything you want. Project. Such a meme. Wait, how do this work though? Where's your IRC for? I'm not on that top tier streamer level yet, man. Baby steps. Baby steps. Why do you think I haven't put it on the socials or anything? Okay. It should be box layout. And box layout dot what was it? Orientation. GTK dot orientation vertical. Yeah. That should be it. There. Bam. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we'll do some styling on this because it's so weird that it's just like a regular label, but you can just change it straight away. Yeah, what I want to do first is this dot editable label. I'm going to restrict its. I need to restrict its editing capabilities. So editable false. Yeah, the reason why I did that is the language server doesn't have doesn't support call completion for certain properties on initialization like this yet. You can only do the in method ones. So wait, alright, which IRC bot do you recommend then? Yeah, that's great. And then if I press that, that should show up. Cool. It's customary for Twitch streamers to write their own. Oh, Timbala. Oh my god. You know, I haven't tried libsuit 4 yet. No, was it libsuit 4 or libsuit 3? Yeah, libsuit 4. Mubot. No, you've done it now. I have to create a Havala Twitch with libsuit. Yeah, so got some more common. I'll say here, start implementing editable fields, widget. That's so far. So then the other one, me bot just in case. Oh, cheers. You're right. You're right to do that. Last week forgot. my brain went blank when you said it the first time. Connect with Twitch. Free, but how is it free? Why is it free? Ah, of course, every time. Wait, but it's like, oh, there's MeBot Plus. Okay, okay. Try to read all. Of course, challenge would be to get a document, a camera, and drawing paper. oh, oh my gosh. Oh, that'll be wild. I mean, I put my keep notes on there, but the notes are wild, man. Crazy amount of notes. And FAQ on chat. Chatbot and voila, sweet. Okay, that's in the notes. Next up, so you remember all those views I made? How I said I extended I got Windows fine, and this is what view models are alright. Now all these views need to turn into we need to use the new way of creating widgets. You know what that means? Alright. I'm going to start off. I'm going to just create another file. Just save a copy of the old file. Hit side by side again. That's not it. That's not it. There we go. I'll need that. It has a whole dashboard. Wait, what has a whole dashboard? What are you talking about? Wait, you mean Chat Arena? Oh wait. Hehe. Oh yeah, that would be super cool. It would be super cool to have like a graphic tablet, drawing tablet. like those Wacom tablets or something. Yeah. What's wrong with Twitch? What is it? This will be set. Yeah, manager type of bot. Yeah, that's interesting. And then rotation is now this to layer manager. Oh, but layer manager used to be, they don't have it. I mean, I can do something like, oh, that's just ugly. Can't do that your way. Box layout. Layer manager. Oh, no, remain. Oh. Yeah, box layout. Sweet. Okay, everything else is the same except you have to say rather than the pending stat switcher the parent equals this text entry set parent this. Yes, still weird to me. Text entry stack. Yeah, everything else is the same. It's not so bad. All right, and then I just remembered something. In the editable fields, I was meant to implement a destructor. Yeah, I remember they said it in the blog. Dispose. Yeah, they unparented and okay. So protected override void dispose a dot dispose. Yeah? Oh, I was gonna say. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need yeah, I need to be private. Wait, how did he Aldemary. Oh, is this umpire the parent? Okay. Box dot on parent. What? What did he do? Doesn't seem right. Alright. This the start. What did they do? Clear pointer is labeled GTK with the unparent. It's a object with its parent. I'm so not used to that. I'm so used to like children, the parent had to remove children, not children deciding whether they want parents or not. Out of context sounds wild. Tree field, parent. Yep. Yeah, that seems to be it. Implement. This is old news. Alright, next. Templates view. Oh, yeah, I did done a trick. Create new. There we go. Copy, paste. It detects C#. Of course. Oh, GTK box. Yeah, same thing basically. Except from widget. Use a static construct. Set the layout manager type to type of GTK.box layout. Get the box layout. Sets vertical. And last two is sort of append. They said they're in. Oh, I can't do that anymore. What did I do it before? Okay. It's weird. That's alright. yeah, new label. Page title. And then page title label dot. It's crazy. I've got to add it all as private variables now. Why is invocation not great? Oh. I'm gonna have to do the on and destroy as well. Such is life. This voids. Non private overrides void on dispose. Protected. Templates. Just view. Right. Yeah, that looks good. That's right. And one more view is the variables view. And that should be all the main window as well. Alright, I've got it down now, so paste, paste. So is this new editable field. Now that's a private field. and then example fields, parent, set parent, yes. Cool. And one more change, and then GTK4 compliant best practices. Oh, page window. Alright. Now this is where things are interesting. So it has shortcut manager, action group, all that good stuff. But can I give it a layout manager? I can. Oh. Alright, man. Have a good night. Thanks for coming by. Yeah. Me too, man. This is educational for me too. See ya. Ah. The audio's gone. What happened there? Oh, what the heck? What happened? You were trying to save money, I see. So I set the layout manager type. Right. I think I do that first. That, then CSS provider. What was the styling, then layout? I'll do the styling first, then I'll do layouts. What? What's happened? Okay. And now I've done that. So then memorize the type. That's right. To do is add the children. So this layout box that actually isn't needed anymore. So I can remove that. And then all of these to save reference order now. I could say something like this: the child, get child. Sibling. Something like header bar or sibling. Get next sibling, that was it. Keep doing that. I reckon up. So, updates me. Since variable of templates view. Right. I know I have these, I don't need that anymore. Shouldn't need to set a child anymore. I think I might be overdoing it. I'll find out. Not faster, that's for sure. That starts instantly, so bam. Yeah, the main window, it creates an implicit GTK box. But the views themselves, they'll use their own layout managers. Okay, that's interesting. Didn't even work that way. Okay. Alright, let me just double check if that's what I should be doing. So application window, GTK4, application window, layout manager. Yeah, well, it doesn't break anything. So, yeah. Guess the job done. I guess my concern will be with the dispers. It's gonna go. Right voids, dispose. Oh. yeah. So this the templates view, the unparent. This the variable view, the unparent. And this the template, the unparent. Oh, I didn't save the. I knew it. This the orientation. Sorry. This the. It's the same code, isn't it? Just gotta break a lot of things. Yeah, I completely messed up this time. I went way too far. Like, I don't have a title working properly. Damn. Alright. I'll just revert the main window changes. Everything else is fine. Yeah. Seems about right. Okay, yeah. So everything loads just fine. Except this input output thing, it's much more than I remember it being. That'll be fixed in time. That was the template editor. Variables view. View models are right. No change here. Mouse white space. Oh yeah, loading variables. Views. Yeah, I'm just going to dispose these and let's go bed. Arr. Oh, did it again? Doesn't want to play anymore, the music. Oh no, it's still playing. You can tell I'm tired after that mistake. Yeah. I thought I could make it till 12, but no. Not gonna make it. Private. That this view is gonna need to start this view. List example field. So template view. No, template view probably. Disperse, template editor, disperse, main window, just leave it the way it is, variable view to disperse, and one more check, don't save that. Yeah, that's that. Coming up ramp. Yeah. And the rest of these blocks can be fixed later. And this button one. Very strange. But yeah. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.